Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to unmute notes on Instagram. So first things first, search the person or account you want to mute. For example, I'm gonna have this account right here. So what you're going to do is click the following and select this option. Now you have the options to mute their stories or their notes. Now, one of the easier way is to go to your messages, and then you just have to tap their notes and then simply click this mute notes, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.